Hey, you guys! Hey guys, I'm so excited. I'm so pumped for this week. It's gonna be nuts. I think the stock market is going to be so volatile. Things are going to be happening. It's going to be so much fun. I'm excited to see what transpires in the stock market this week. So I wanted to just jump on here and just share my thoughts that I had and part of the reason why I'm so excited. So the stimulus checks or the stimmy checks just came out and everyone should be getting around $1,400 to YOLO it on the stock market. Or at least that's my opinion. I think a big percentage of these people are going to YOLO in the stock market. I mean, what else are you going to do with $1,400? I know for a lot of people, $1,400 isn't going to do a lot, but what they can do and what I think people are already knowledgeable about is making that money grow. And one of the best ways to grow it is through the stock market. So I do think that this week, the stock market is going to be bullish based on that, but I could be totally wrong. So don't count on that. It could definitely just dip and become bearish all of a sudden. But my hunch is that it's going to be pretty green this week. And then another thought came to mind is like, okay, you're getting $1,400. Now, WallStreetBets right now has about 9 million members. And let's just say half of them, or 5 million. Let's just say 5 million. Yeah, let's put it that way. 5 million get $1,400 each. What do you think they're going to do with that besides buying a gorilla or an elephant or some other type of animal? Yeah, they're going to YOLO it on GME or AMC. Most likely GME though. Guys, 5 million members that get $1,400 in stimulus checks. That's a purchasing power. That is a power. That's buying power of $7 billion. They're basically a hedge fund. And if you put that against other hedge funds that have billions of dollars in shorting a specific stock, bruh. You're
so white.
Something's going to happen. It's going to be nuts. We're probably going to see things we've never seen before in the stock market, specifically with a specific stock. I also think cryptos are going to blow up. I think a lot of meme stocks are going to do well. I don't know though. Now, again, don't take my word for it. Don't go and YOLO some of your money, some hard-earned money on that, and you have to feed your children or do something that's responsible for it. Don't take my advice for it. But I do think there's going to be some interesting movements that's going to happen this week. But we'll see. We'll see. I could be totally wrong, and it could be totally red this entire week. That's why my basic thesis in investing is long-term, investing in companies that are doing well over the long term and just hold, buy and hold, buy and hold, buy and hold. That's basically my investment philosophy. But there's nothing wrong with having a little fun and getting like 10, 15, even maybe 20% of your portfolio and doing something risky and something fun with it. I mean, especially if you have 80% of your portfolio in diversified funds or S&P 500 index funds that you're going to invest and that you're going to hold for a long period of time, then why not play with the 20 or 10% of it? Because what if those do well? What if you would have invested in Tesla? And what if this and what if that, right? I don't want to get in that rabbit hole or I don't want to go down that route, but I've missed out on many opportunities because I just stuck to my boomer ways and didn't jump on these certain things that I wish I would have. So you can fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, shame on me. Fool me, you know what I'm trying to say.
Fool me once, strike one. But fool me twice, strike three.
But that's it, man. I just wanted to come on here and just share my excitement with you guys. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. I really do appreciate your guys' support. And that's all I have for today. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.